This is the Polycarbonate Kohaku, designed by Singa KBD. Let's take a closer look. Polycarbonate, or PC, is a synthetic resin in which the polymer units are linked through carbonate groups. They are a tough material, usually transparent, and can be easily worked on, molded, and thermoformed. And when used as the case material for custom mechanical keyboards, it's got an interesting effect. And today we're going to compare it to the most popular case material, aluminum, specifically the 6000 series aluminum. While there are many differences between an aluminum keyboard and a PC keyboard, the most noticeable change is in the sound. Polycarbonate keyboards tend to have a more muted and softer sound. The material's flexibility and lower density contribute to a sound that can be often described as dampened or deeper. On the other hand, aluminum keyboards typically produce a sharper and more resonant sound. The material's rigidity and density lead to a sound that can be described as clear, crisp, and slightly louder overall sound when compared to polycarbonate. All of this is due to the material properties of aluminum. It is twice as dense as polycarbonate. In today's sound test, we're going to compare an aluminum Kohaku to a PC Kohaku. Both boards will use the exact same PCB assembly, which is MX black on aluminum plate. There are many factors that can influence the sound of a keyboard, such as case design, switch type, and dampening materials. However, with all things being equal, the polycarbonate case will have a more mellow, dampened, and deeper sound profile than the aluminum counterpart. Comment down below on if you prefer the polycarbonate or the aluminum case. I hope you have enjoyed the sound test. If you did, please like and subscribe for future content updates. See you next time.